It is 9:04. Just wanted to take you out in the woods. We've had a couple of days of rain. It's just beautiful out here. Oh, there's the witch's tree. Lots of moss. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So much green moss. I wanted to show you that's all ferns. That's the swamp. I mean, it's so tall. Those ferns are so tall. That's a fallen tree. You can't even see it no more. It's just stunning out here. I thought maybe I'd see a little deer. Yeah, we are banking with the ferns. And just about anything can go through there. So it's pretty wet in there right now. If you happen to watch a video and you see the deer, I'm sure their feet are pretty muddy. Alright, my camera's out in the woods again tonight. Wasn't catching anything out there. Alright.